Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna bring you to the journey with this phenomenal icon that we have here. It's a very old car. It was an icon back on the day. It has original paint on the front bumper and rear bumper. They have been touched up, but the rest of the car is OEM as factory as she left. A lot of oxidation is very bad shape, quite neglected, but we are going to turn this thing around big time. I can't wait to show you. So let me flip this thing around and down we go. Alright, so here's the 50-50 shot, and this side completely hammer steel, single stage paint, and then we made our way to the corrected section right here. Okay, so we had the test spot looking good, and now we're gonna move and embark into the rest. I don't know about those guys there, but it's looking good. Here she is, the iconic Honda Acura NSX. So this one came here to have it all done, and this one is probably gonna be one of the most challenging jobs that I have ever done. We have paint enhancement, you have paint correction, and this is gonna be paint resurrection. So at first glance everything looks good, but when we start getting down and close, we can clearly see that there's a lot of work to be done everywhere. If you can see here, look at this area all faded down there. Everywhere we look at the mirrors, completely dull. Somebody was here before. You can see all those trail marks and everything else everywhere. There's markings, there's scuffing, there's swirls, there's scratches, and then you get back here and it just, as we go, it gets worse. I don't even know what I'm gonna be able to do with that there. And the roof, so quite bad, quite bad. Back here, the panels, everything is hammered everywhere. The wheels, so I have my work cut out. The vents, look at that, more of the door, the glass, look at the glass. This side here, this made a different color, more of the roof, pillars. Let's see if we can do some type of something there. Back here. Spoiler. Spoiler actually doesn't look that bad. All right, so here's the cemetery of pads. We got about 25 pads, and as you can see, it took a lot of work to get that paint to that level, but it doesn't matter. We got it done. More likely all these pads will go into the garbage can now, even though some of them they were brand new, but we're not gonna jeopardize the next job because of pad contamination or lack of performance on the pad. We went through about, I think, 20-30 microfiber towels, but that's part of being in business. So there you have it. Okay, so here she is on all her glory. Nothing more and nothing less than a Honda Acura NSX. And this thing came out stunning. Look at the depth. And it came out beautiful, beautiful. So this car is a single stage paint. So we had to go through a lot of pads to get her to this level, but look at this. And at the end we put the boosted 2.0. So let me take you to the journey. So first we wash her outside with the car shampoo. We use the oxidation block or clay block. And then we brought her inside, and as you saw on part of the videos, the paint was in real bad shape. So with the Swirl Remover Pro X and about 26 pads, different pads, foam pads, microfiber pads, and any other pads that you can imagine, we had to use because the paint was keep coming out because there was a lot of dead paint, a lot of oxidation. And so after that, we did what we call a resurrection. It's between a paint enhancement and a paint correction. So we polished the glass using the Turbo Wax Swirl Remover. The painted surfaces we did the wheels, we polished them with the Swirl Remover, 3-inch foam pad. The roof we did, the glass, the engine bay, the whole thing. And we ended up putting the coating. So I'm waiting for the customer to come and pick it up, and I'm sure he's gonna be very, very happy about it. And of course, on the interior, we did the Turbo Wax interior RP1. All the surfaces are nice and clean, and as usual, we polished the door jambs, we coated them, and the interior we did the entire dash, all the plastic surfaces, all the leather pieces, everything and everything. So it came out real good. It's far from perfect paint job, but it came alive. And there you have her. And of course, using our entire range of products, and you know that you can find us on the line online at turbowax.com, Instagram turbowax. So here she is. All right, so that's what we got to show you today. Beautiful car. And the engine bay, we steam cleaned it, and we put the boosted everywhere we could. It's looking real nice. All the plastic pieces. And there she is. All right, so she's all done, and there she is. Ooh, look at that. That's with the boosted 2.0 ceramic coating. First step was with the Swirl Remover. Came out beautiful, beautiful. sad to see her go, but that's how it goes. They all come and go. Hopefully we can fulfill my customer expectations. Okay guys, so this completed this video, and as you saw, what a phenomenal car. We put a lot of time and effort. The customer was ecstatic. It looks phenomenal, and yeah, thank you for your comments and emails, and follow us on Instagram. Check our website at turbowax.com, and we're getting ready for the next one. Until then.